Hello guys, it's your boy Influence Media. Now, as we are here now, we are going to talk about one of the major websites that can help you in mining free Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrencies without investing any peso or even cents in it. As you can see, the price of Bitcoin have been higher, almost from $19,000 to 20,668. 4,838 Satoshi is $1 now. So now let's walk into the site. Now the site name is silent.io. Silent.io, as we can see, it is a cloud mining cryptocurrency site which you sign up and get a $5 bonus. We guarantee a daily profit of 1% to 5% per day, available for withdrawal at any time. So when you want to withdraw, there is minimum amount. So now, as we can see, the users, there are 59,265 users in it, and $171 has been deposited. Withdrawal was $51,000. As we can see, register for free and get a 5 USD welcome bonus. The 5 USD welcome bonus is not in charge of money or something else. It will be a hash rate that will be generating the Bitcoin or mining the Bitcoin for you. So as we can see here, they said our $5 bonus will give you the opportunity to fully test our service and its operation. In addition, the profit from the $5 bonus can be withdrawn without making a deposit. There are many things here. So now, what you have to do is to click on the start mining. After clicking on the start mining, you have to provide your username, email, create password, and then confirm the password. After confirm, just click I'm not a robot to testify yourself, and then click create account. So let's get back in. For me, I've already created it, but I have to log in. Okay, let's get in. So let's log in. Okay, almost there. Log in. So if we are here, the $5, the 5 USDT, that is a bonus they are giving to you, will be here. That's it. To next 820. That's the hash rate that will be mine. So if you can here, there are many cryptocurrencies that you can mine here. You can even, after mining the cryptocurrency, you can even change it to perfect money and withdraw it. It's simple. So now, after you have logged in, just come down here, and here is SHA-256. That's the Bitcoin. As you can see, I've turned on my mining power. You can only turn on only one mining power, or there is a trick that you can lower it like this 50% and turn the other to 50%, and it will be mining slowly. But as for me, I like to mine only one Bitcoin by turning the mining power to 100%. There are many cryptocurrencies that you can mine here, and as you can see, there are bonuses and other mining opportunities. Let me show you. Here is the script. It will give you the access to mine Litecoin, Stellar, Dogecoin, Zcash, and other cryptocurrencies, and the Ethash, Ethereum, Ripple, and others. So now let's get to SHA. So after you have turned on the power, it will start mining the Bitcoin. As you can see now, my Bitcoin is mined. So after you have mined, and if you want to maybe purchase a hash rate to make the mining power too higher, just go to the second one and then choose which network are you using to pay, either perfect money, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Zcash, Tron, and etc. And then put the amount you want to purchase. Maybe let's do it as, let me do it 5 USDT. As you can see, it will give me 358 total hash rate. And then click on purchase, and then I'm not going to purchase, not now. Okay, so let's go back, and yeah, if you want to withdraw your Bitcoin, just click on where I just clicked, calm down, and choose the what you want to withdraw. Maybe you have mined Litecoin, or me now I'm mining Bitcoin, so let me get into Bitcoin. So after you have get in the Bitcoin that you have mined, just input the amount you want to withdraw. After inputting the amount, put in your wallet address, either Coinbase, Binance, and etc., or Paxful, etc. Put and click on withdrawal. The withdrawal is made easier. Okay, so this site has been one of the sites that helps you to mine free Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies without investing. Guys, if you have any question on this site, check my Instagram account at junior.makosa. Follow me, text me, and let's discuss anything. Guys, don't forget, click on the like button for me, smashing the bell for me, and then click on the subscribe button for me. For your information, I have been helping you guys, but none of you, let's say 10 of you only like it, 90% of you don't like videos. I don't understand why, and you don't subscribe for more updates. Why? Okay guys, thanks all for your support. I just started it and you are improving me. Thanks. I'll like you for you to subscribe my channel for me. Click on the notification bell, click on all, and you will be notified when I release a new update. Thank you guys. Follow for more updates.